Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, ah, ah. Whoa. 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 Hello everybody. It is Wednesday, July 8th, 3/11. I got in the office about 2 hours ago. And let me show you things that I've been doing. First and foremost, finished editing the 0 and 1 is 1 Oxy exhibition representing Alexander Flynn booklet. This has actually been something like exhibition finished booklet. It's been something that needed to be finished, just because like it's been a while since her exhibition's been over. So got that finished, and I'm now sending it to the Upche, the book production center, with 3 other exhibition finished booklet references, and the 2 other is the Shadows in Our Dreams exhibition booklet, as well as the apoptosis booklet. That's 3 that I need to send over today. I'm waiting for a final confirmation on it. And then what else? I also created the Fishes and Wi-Fi website, which is basically like this site that you can go into. Fishes and Wi-Fi, are we pursuing dreams that dreams belong to us, or are we following currents that have been long before? Blah, 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 blah. This website is created with 546.979, and it's like honestly, let's see if it works on my phone. Fishes. Nice though. This is, I have it turned on my computer, but this is the IP. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And you can hear the sounds. Yeah, you can hear the sounds. I tap on it. Ooh, this is tough. I can also control. How do I control it? Oh yeah. Then we got all the red fish, all the brown fish. Let's click on the main character. I need to wake up. Then there's also this hand control feature, which is really cool. Basically, you give access to the camera of the iPhone. And if you do certain motions, if you see here, if I do certain motions on the sensor, it catches it. So I'm just gonna go like that, and it goes to the side. And if I go on this side, it moves to the other side. And then hold up, I want to pinch one of them, right? I want to see what this fish is. Pinch it. It's gone. It's gone. Let me turn that off. But this is the site that I coded this morning. Pretty cool. It looks better on phone, on the iPhone. But yeah. Also, yesterday we recorded the beer bottle sounds, and I literally made a YouTube channel called Oxy Sounds. I'm just gonna turn it on my phone as well, because you can't see my computer right now. Let's go Oxy Sounds. Yep. Created this channel. where it's basically it's just the bottles. I have 4 tracks on it. Probably edit some of the tracks on my computer, or not edit, just like, what I mean is like chop it up, because Instagram you can't have video more than 3 minutes. So yeah, chop it up so it's like not 3 minutes, and then put it up as like a starter, or like a starter. Do you say prologue or epilogue? What do you prologue definition? Yeah, like a prologue to the entire like bottle work that's outside right now. What else? Yesterday, what I didn't show you is, well, maybe you saw it when I was doing the final fishes and Wi-Fi, like close part, but yeah, I ordered a green screen. I also ordered a like professional lighting thing. I think I'm gonna order another one. I didn't know that I had to order the light bulb as well, so I have to order that as well. Yeah, but that's kind of like the update on what I've been doing since yesterday night. Yeah. Today I have a meeting with a couple artists that are coming in like an hour. And after that, nothing too crazy. Yesterday, the World Cup was crazy. Argentina ended up beating Egypt 3-2. Switzerland, Colombia, they just tied everything. So penalties, Switzerland won. So tomorrow, or in 2 days or literally tomorrow basically, 5 a.m. France, Morocco, big game. And in 2 days, Spain and Belgium, big game. And then in 3 days, Haaland, my guy, Norway versus England, as well as Argentina and Switzerland. Exciting matchups. Excited for what's to come. Honestly think I got a little bit of a cold. I don't know why. But also, doing the oxy sounds, I need to really get into music and stuff. And also, I have a bunch of work outside that I haven't done, I haven't touched at all. So probably take pictures of that, make content with that, and then put it up as well. Since right now the Oxy Instagram followers is 1,208 followers, I'm thinking of making a what is Oxy kind of video for the 1,000 viewers or the 1,000 followers, congratulations type of thing. That's kind of the plan. Yeah. Oh, what else? Tomorrow I go to Zip Crop Studio. Just grind, more work. Shit, let's get it. I'm trying to make an Oxy Sounds album. That's what I really want to do. Oxy Sounds album. Yeah, let's get it. Already 11 minutes on the freaking clock. On the cam, but 2 of them fell today as well. A soju and a beer. I don't know how sustainable this is. Like, I can't just like keep on like putting it on and on and on and on and on. Cause I'm so lazy to clean broken glass shards. It's also dangerous. Anyways, we'll get back to work.
마지막에 때린 거 리안나 아닐걸? 지금 간 거?